So a lot of people ask that why I talk about FirstPromoter so much as an affiliate program to set up your affiliate program out there, and why I don't talk about Clickfunnels Backpack, even though I'm a Clickfunnels user and I love using Clickfunnels, but I don't use Clickfunnels Backpack. So guys, what's up? RJ here, back with another video. In this video, we're gonna do a quick comparison about FirstPromoter and Clickfunnels Backpack. If you don't know what a FirstPromoter and Clickfunnels Backpack is, FirstPromoter and Clickfunnels Backpack both are used to set up your affiliate programs for your product, for your software, for your service. It could be anything. So it is mainly used to set up your affiliate program. So I just wanted to talk about that, why I'm not using Clickfunnels Backpack and why I use FirstPromoter out there for my affiliate program, and why I recommend FirstPromoter out there for anyone else out there as well. So it's gonna be clear cut out there. Some of them gonna be thinking about, I'm biased, I'm not. I have done my research, I have worked on it. I'm using Clickfunnels for almost like 3 years, so I know the reason why I don't use Clickfunnels Backpack itself, even though I love using Clickfunnels, but I use FirstPromoter for my affiliate program. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel out there, be sure to subscribe and be sure to like this video as well. So let's get to the screen. So like as you can see, like I have opened Clickfunnels affiliate dashboard itself as well. You can probably see like some of the details are hidden itself as well. But if Clickfunnels has just revamped, by the time of this video, Clickfunnels has just revamped the affiliate dashboard. If you saw Clickfunnels dashboard in the past, you probably know that over this commission section there was like orange bars, and even the structure of it is a bit more organized right now from the past itself. But one of the biggest problem that Clickfunnels Backpack have is all of the Clickfunnels affiliate program or other people who work on the affiliate program creates on Backpack. So what I really meant by that is, for example, if you have an affiliate program and now Clickfunnels have an affiliate program of themselves on Backpack itself, and if you have your your link out there that is over here, if you have Clickfunnels logged in and then you try to open your affiliate login or affiliate sign up doing something like that, oftentimes it happens that you're trying to log in into Clickfunnels, and most of the times you're trying to log in into your affiliate dashboard, but it gets you login into the Clickfunnels affiliate dashboard itself. So most of the time it tries to mix up the dashboards, and that's a huge mess out there, because you have like, let's say 10 affiliate programs on Clickfunnels, and then you're signing up for those affiliate programs, or your affiliates are signing up, and when they're trying to signing up over there and they have Clickfunnels opened up, and then they get logged in into Clickfunnels rather than your affiliate dashboard. So for the reason they have to log in into incognito window out there so that it don't mess up, and that's a huge problem. The another huge problem that Clickfunnels Backpack have in general is if you have links out there that are some sort of like affiliate links, even like the cookies of affiliate links can go away and have problems out there, because and one of the main reason why it happens is because Clickfunnels have other dashboard itself, because Clickfunnels is the king of funnel building softwares, and I love using Clickfunnels and even promote it as an affiliate. But Clickfunnels is not specifically made for setting up affiliate programs. Even though they love to drink their own Kool-Aid, but it doesn't mean that you have to use Clickfunnels itself to set up your affiliate program. Because when you try to set up affiliate programs and everything out there, and your affiliates are trying to log in if they have Clickfunnels, first of all, it's pretty much messed up. The second thing, cookies becomes a huge problem out there. In the past like few months, there were a huge problem out there regarding cookies. People are not getting credit, people are not getting commission and sales. It was a huge problem, and they have fixed up a lot of things out there, but still some of the affiliate dashboard have these type of problems. Let's say trying to sell someone out there something, and that thing didn't track, you're not getting any sort of commission. And most of the time it also happens when you have your Clickfunnels open up in there as well. The cookies clashes, this, and there are so many things out there why these things are happening up, and which is like super messy. We promote Clickfunnels as an affiliate. It's good to promote Clickfunnels on a Clickfunnels dashboard, but it's not, I don't suggest personally to promote other products that are on the Clickfunnels affiliate program itself. So that's a huge thing out there. So I would highly recommend don't create an affiliate program into Clickfunnels Backpack itself. Now when we talk about like FirstPromoter, I have opened like one of my general dashboard itself on FirstPromoter. So if you see like this affiliate dashboard, if I sign up as an affiliate, this looks more like simple, more organized, my referrals, my customers, my clicks, my unpaid earnings, so my commission, whatever it is, and my links. If you see over here, there was also like so many links out there as well. Now they made it like organized, which is also like pretty good case out there as well, because in the past it was like pretty much messed up, so many links, and people get overwhelmed, confused by just watching on the dashboard itself. But over here, if you see, like if I go in like links, super simple to use, super simple to operate on there, my commissions, my details, my referrals out there. And the tracking of like FirstPromoter itself is far better in terms of like affiliate side than Clickfunnels Backpack itself, because the reason is FirstPromoter is made for affiliate tracking itself. Sometimes it's harder, not everyone is Apple, that you can really go in and dominate every single market into the space itself. So Clickfunnels is good, is the best in terms of like funnel building, but when it comes to like creating affiliate tracking systems, FirstPromoter is your way to go, because FirstPromoter is specifically made for that particular thing out there. So that's a big difference out there why I really go in and choose FirstPromoter out there. If you see like referrals, all of my referrals details out there, probably it's going to be hidden, my rewards, like whatever the rewards that I have, apart from that, like my payout, if I have got any payouts or not, my assets, if there are any sort of assets. And like these are super simple things out there to even operate. The dashboard looks simple, you can customize it, but still it looks much better out there than Clickfunnels affiliate dashboard. And the high chances of FirstPromoter is also that the tracking don't messed up, because it's specifically made for affiliate tracking out there. So they have like pretty much worked a lot on it. We can't say it's 100% because like nothing is like 100% accurate. So we could go for like 90 to 95% out there. For like never have any problem so far got because of FirstPromoter. If I'm selling something or if someone's selling my products out there, they never got the problem. So that's one of the huge difference out there why I always choose FirstPromoter out there in terms of affiliate tracking, and just integrated with Clickfunnels and run my affiliate programs like crazy. So this is one of the main reasons why I do it. So if you really want to use FirstPromoter out there, there's a link in the comment section or also in the description down below out there. Is if you want me to set up your FirstPromoter out there, just sign up and let me know about that. Hey, I have signed up, and we're gonna get in a quick call, probably like in 15 minutes or 20 minutes out there, and we can see like what's the requirement and we can help you set it up, or I can guide you how you can set it up on your own as well, so you can do it as well. So the link is in the description down below. If you have any question, just post in the comment section down below, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.